Hey there, content creators and streamers. Experiencing Elgato Camlink freezing issues? Many users face interruptions right when they need a smooth stream or recording. Elgato Camlink is a reliable tool, but technical glitches can sometimes disrupt your creative flow. No worry. Today, we'll dive into actionable steps on how to fix Elgato Camlink freezing and get you back to seamless streaming in no time. Step 1. Check your USB connection. The first step is to ensure a stable USB connection. Many freezing issues stem from loose or faulty USB connection. Make sure the Camlink is snugly connected to a USB 3.0 port on your computer, as lower versions might not offer enough bandwidth. Try switching to a different USB port if you still encounter issues, or consider using a powered USB hub to maintain consistent power and data transfer. Step 2. Upgrade your software. Outdated software can lead to performance issues, including freezing. Begin by updating the Elgato game capture software. Also, check for firmware updates for the Elgato Camlink itself. Keeping your device's software current can significantly improve stability and performance. While you're at it, ensure your operating system and streaming applications like OBS Studio are up to date as well. Step 3. Adjust camera setting. Sometimes the issue may not lie with the Elgato Camlink, but with the camera settings feeding into it. Set your camera to a stable output resolution and frame rate that the Camlink supports, such as 1080p at 60 frames per second. Lower the resolution or frame rate if your current settings are too taxing for your system. Step 4. Manage system resources. Streaming and recording can tax your computer's resources. High CPU or memory usage can cause video freezing. Close unnecessary applications running in the background that might be hogging resources. Within your streaming software, optimize the settings for resource efficiency. This could involve lowering the bitrate or output resolution. Step 5. Test different HDMI cables. Faulty or substandard HDMI cables can be another culprit for freezing issues. Test with a different, high-quality HDMI cable to ensure a solid connection between your camera and the Elgato Camlink. Sometimes simply changing the cable can resolve persistent hiccups in your video stream. Step 6. Try alternative capture software. If you've exhausted the above options with no success, consider alternative capture software. This could be free software like VLC Media Player or other paid options. Compatibility issues with your primary software might be causing the freezing, and a different program may offer a more stable experience. Elgato Camlink freezing can be a frustrating issue, but with these strategies, you are in a great position to troubleshoot and fix the problem. From checking connections and updating software, to adjusting system settings and trying new cables, each step will help restore stability and performance to your streaming setup. Remember, technology can occasionally be unpredictable, but patience and methodical troubleshooting can overcome most challenges. Reignite your creative spark and keep producing amazing content without the interruption. Happy streaming.